Smart ways to get more subscribers on YouTube. Marketers, business owners, influencers, or anyone depending on a social media following to keep afloat knows that increasing the number of fans and leads is essential to survival, because where there is no following, there is no business. And that is true for YouTube as well, perhaps more important than on any other platform, because the number of subscribers and interactions that a channel gets is proportional to how financially successful it is going to be at any given moment. So the idea behind a successful YouTube channel is to keep increasing its number of subscribers. But how do channels get more subscribers than they already have? What is the secret behind those channels with over 100,000 subscribers? In this video, we are going to show you the strategies behind building a large following on YouTube, and which are the smartest ways to get more subscribers on a daily basis. Posting new content on a regular basis. This might sound like a no-brainer, but you would be surprised by the number of people trying to make a killing on YouTube while relying on only a tiny handful of videos, well knowing that the secret behind engagement is a constant stream of content. This is because a small fraction of videos will only get you views on the few videos that you have uploaded, as people have no reason to subscribe to your channel if they are not served content on a regular basis. Now, when people like your videos and they see that you post on a regular basis, it is going to be much easier for them to watch your videos if they are subscribed to your channel. So make sure to create a schedule to release your video content to see that audience growing. Using smart calls to action. We've gotten used to calls to action that relentlessly try to sell stuff to people, and so we are also getting too cautious when using calls to action. Yet, calls to action do not require you to shout needy calls for purchase or website visits. Smart calls to action on YouTube can be as simple as asking your viewers to share your videos with someone that they know will like them. The key here is that you are creating commitment from your viewers, because by the time that they share your videos, they are very likely to be subscribing as well. This is because hitting the subscribe button is a pretty easy thing to do, so doing that after sharing or commenting on your videos will happen by default. Optimize your video titles. Video titles are a great viewer magnet. Believe it or not, because video titles speak to viewers that are looking out for certain content. So you have to be very careful of how you title your videos, because they play a huge role when it comes to making people to want to click on your videos. The best way to optimize your video titles is by using keywords. Your keywords have to be directly related to the subject of your videos and the content in your videos, making your videos easier to be targeted in search results. Also, make sure to make your video title short, no more than 50 characters long. Customize your video thumbnails. People are visual learners, so you have to attract them through the eyes first to make a great first impression. Many marketers neglect their video thumbnails, leaving their videos unedited with an ugly video thumbnail taken straight from the raw video. So make sure to create attractive thumbnails that can grab the attention of people in such a powerful way that they will have no option but to subscribe. Make your videos no longer than 5 minutes. Long videos are best left for the movies and for documentaries, as YouTube videos are really successful when they are between 2.5 and 5 minutes long at most. This is because your videos will be competing for the attention span of viewers with a lot of other videos on the platform. By making your videos that are less than 5 minutes long, you will be making sure that your viewers can binge watch the videos on your channel in one sitting, which will prompt them to also hit the subscribe button later on. Shocking case studies. The following are the stories of some of the marketers, businesses, and individuals that have made it big on the YouTube platforms by following only the best marketing strategies available, and we want to share them with you so you can follow their example and then lead the way for the new marketers to come. Blend Tech. Blend Tech is easily one of the most recognizable and beloved channels all across YouTube around the world. They are famous for their Will It Blend videos, where they simply use blenders to see if they can crush certain objects. Their initial objective of the guy behind Blend Tech, Tom Dixon, was to use the videos for product demonstrations. The people behind Blend Tech followed the principle of less is more when they started uploading the product demonstration videos. Then after finding out they could get millions of views with such a simple approach, they decided to make their videos into comedy sketches. The first few videos posted on the channel brought in a massive 6 million views on the channel, and currently the channel holds a record 281 million views. PlayStation. The PlayStation channel serves as the home for everything PlayStation related on YouTube. You might know the PlayStation brand as one of the leading platforms in the ever-growing gaming industry. The objective behind the PlayStation channel has been always to have a place where PlayStation fans can find amazing video content featuring their favorite brand, as well as to attract new customers and followers by showcasing amazing gaming productions. A PlayStation strategy is simple. It uses branding tactics that allows people to immediately recognize the PlayStation brand. It also relies on unique content related to their products. PlayStation was one of the fastest growing channels in the year 2013, attracting over 2 million subscribers in that year alone, and it currently has over 5 million subscribers from all around the world. GoPro. GoPro is a tech company that specializes in video equipment. From its humble origins back in 2002, it has become a household name that is now synonymous to the action cam term, because that is their main line of products. The company's initial objective was centered around demonstrating the usefulness of early GoPro products on their YouTube channel. They shifted gears right around the time when they started getting their first million views by encouraging people to provide them with user-generated content, which proved to be a killer strategy. The GoPro channel got its first 1.8 million subscribers soon after making their initial call for user-generated content, which also helped them to up their revenue in 2013 to $234 million, just by introducing YouTube in their marketing efforts. LSTN Sound Company. LSTN is a company that specializes in producing high-end wood-encased headphones, and they are mostly known because of their cause-oriented business ventures. The company's objective was to simply give back to a community that has helped them to grow by promoting headphones for the hearing impaired on YouTube. Their strategy was to send their message as clear as possible with their videos, to let people know that they were targeting a good cause. Using the "for every headphone we sell, we help restore hearing to a person in need" message on their videos. Their YouTube marketing campaign made the company able to reach their goal of helping over 22,000 people in 9 different countries, including Peru, Mexico, China, and the U.S. Rockenbach Education. The Rockenbach company started as a small toy-producing line back in the early 90s. They focus on producing high-quality children's construction and educational toys. With the decline of brick-and-mortar stores, the company decided that it needed a new channel to promote and market their product lines, so they decided on YouTube. The company has used stop-motion videos showcasing their toys while using construction-related keywords in their video titles and descriptions to attract kids interested in the kind of toys that the company produces. Rockenbach has reported that over 50% of the new customers come from watching their products in action on the YouTube platform since their first foray back in 2006. How to get YouTube videos ranked. Getting your YouTube videos to reach the first page of results on YouTube is great, but getting your YouTube videos on the first page of results on YouTube and also ranking on the first page of results of Google is even better. Yes, ranking your videos is a very important practice that you should learn to apply right now. And in this video, we are going to show you how to properly use some high-octane strategies that will allow you to get your YouTube videos ranked the smart way. Let's start by identifying video keywords, which are keywords that the Google algorithm identifies as relevant for results showing YouTube videos. In other words, video keywords are keywords that put YouTube videos on the first page of Google when you use them for your search. Normal keywords will show you only website results when you use them to make your Google searches. But when you use video keywords, Google reserves some space on its first page of results for YouTube videos. This is important to know and to apply, because if you only target normal keywords, your videos will only be shown to people looking for stuff on YouTube. But if you include video keywords in your videos, they will be shown to people looking for stuff on Google too. Okay, so how do you find your video keywords, you might be asking? The answer is pretty easy. You will simply have to use keywords in your niche alongside the following keywords: how to, review, tutorial, fitness or sports related keywords, fun related keywords such as cute and funny. That is because those keywords are commonly associated with the most popular types of content you can find on the YouTube platform. This means that you have to use these keywords with the keywords that you plan to use for your titles. Let's show you an example with a product review using the how to make cold coffee keyword on Google. Here, we're using the how to video keyword with our cold coffee niche keyword. And as you can see, there are YouTube videos on the first page of results. Now that you know that your video keywords work, you will need to learn how to apply some good old search engine optimization to your YouTube videos right before uploading them. You have to start by your video title, which should be at least 5 words long, and to include your keywords at the very beginning of the title. This way, you will allow Google to read your video title without using keyword stuffing. Now comes the description. The optimization guidelines for video descriptions include inserting your keywords within the first 25 words of your descriptions from 3 to 4 times, and to make your description at least 250 words long. You can also include a link to your website or affiliate product at the beginning of the description to increase click-through rates on the former and conversions on the latter. Now, use the tags field to insert keywords related to your content. This will help you to teach both YouTube and Google what your videos are all about. And they will also help you to show your videos more often on the sidebar area when people watch videos related to your tags. Once your videos are search engine optimized, publish them and start promoting them to get better ranks. Because your ranks also depend on factors such as views, likes, and comments. Apply all the techniques shown in here, and you will be on every first page of results from now on. How to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. YouTube has rapidly become a money printing machine for many people, and making money on the YouTube platform is no longer about advertising revenue and paid subscriptions, because smart marketers have found other ways. We are talking about affiliate marketing, of course, which is one of the oldest and best ways to make money using the infinite pool of money-making opportunities on the internet. In this video, we are going to guide you through the best ways to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. Produce video product reviews. One of the most popular subjects that you will find covered on YouTube videos is product reviews. People just love product reviews, and product reviews are a great opportunity to earn some good affiliate money on YouTube. This is because you can create an awesome, engaging product review, where you can promote your affiliate link for that product by simply sharing it in your descriptions. This way you can tell your viewers to follow the affiliate link on the description below the video right after your review starts and right before the video ends. Use link shortening services to post your affiliate links. Now, you have to be aware that long affiliate links are most likely to be ignored, simply because these are not visually appealing, and they make viewers think that you are just redirecting them to a sleazy offer. To avoid giving this impression, simply use a link shortening service, such as Bitly or the Amazon link shortener if you're promoting Amazon affiliate products. Create an awesome affiliate website where you can embed your affiliate videos. You can use the classic affiliate marketing channel by creating a nice looking and responsive affiliate website where you can embed your affiliate marketing videos. This is a winner approach to YouTube affiliate marketing because many people will land on your affiliate offers through search engine results. And while product review videos are a favorite of Google when it comes to showing results on its search engine results, it wouldn't hurt to embed all your marketing videos on your affiliate website because it will only help you to attract more viewers, but it will also increase your quality rank. You can also promote your affiliate website on your videos and your channel, and you can encourage your visitors to go to your affiliate website by creating content that can only be obtained through your website, such as free ebooks. Doing this will get you lots of leads that will be generating massive amounts of traffic to both of your affiliate marketing channels. Create quick videos to promote coupons and discount codes that can be applied to products that you promote. One of the easiest ways to push people to make impulse purchases is by giving them the slightest incentive, such as discount and promo codes. So a great way to encourage lots of sales through affiliate links is to create daily videos to promote coupon codes and promotions. You can promote products that are getting heavy discounts on specific dates, for example. Or you can search for codes on coupon sites such as Groupon.com, and then promote juicy discount codes with quick videos on a daily basis. Always remembering to tell your viewers to follow the affiliate links in the description to properly apply these codes. An additional layer of strategy that you can apply here is by creating a sense of urgency around your codes. The quick nature of your videos will help, and you can take it further by using words such as today only or limited time offer. Include a link to your squeeze pages in your description. Affiliate marketers know that email marketing is a powerful sales driver because they can send well-crafted affiliate offers right to a person's inbox. The good news is that integrating your email marketing efforts within your YouTube videos is easier than you might think. You will only have to add a link to your squeeze pages on your video descriptions, encouraging your viewers to sign up so they can get the latest offers and product recommendations by email.